Hello, I'm Mike Tassino with Emerson, and I'm sharing more tech tips to help you get the most value from your FB Series Flow computer or FB3000 RTU. Today, I will be demoing how to set up an action block. Action blocks monitor for a configured condition and perform an action when the logic is true. I have a FB3000 RTU for this demo, but these features apply to the FB Series Flow computers that have the control option as well. Navigating to the Configure tab, then the Action blocks, you can see there's a well laid out screen to set up a comparative statement. For today's demo, I will set up an action block for use with a pressure input. Specifically, the demo will show how you can simply and easily control a digital output signal to indicate to other equipment to take an action when the pressure is higher than a configurable set point. First, we will enable the action block and add a tag called pressure control. For the logic setup of variable 1, I will enter pressure for the description. Then, using the point picker, I will browse to my pressure input. You can see when I select the operator dropdown, there are quite a number of comparative statements to choose from. I will choose greater than, and then I'll set up variable 2. For the description, I will write pressure set point. I will once again browse to the inputs, point picker selector, and I will choose the previously configured pressure alarms high alarm limit. For more information on how to set up an alarm, please take a look at the previous tech tip video on this subject. For the input, you could, of course, choose any numeric database point for this reference, or just type in a fixed value. Next, I will configure the action part of the block. For the output type triggered, I will choose binary action, as I will be using a digital output for the action block. For the output action point, I will use the point picker to choose a DO's auto value. For the Boolean behavior of the output action, I will leave it at the defaults of force 1 true and 0 false, meaning that when the action block is activated, the DO will be in a 1 or high state, and when it's inactive, it will be in a low or 0 state. If I hit save and then simulate raising the pressure above the pressure set point, you can see that the action block changed from inactive to active when the pressure exceeded the pressure set point. If you were to look at the physical FB3000 I'm using, the LED on my module next to the DO channel I selected is now green to indicate the DO is activated. The action blocks and effects make it quite straightforward to set up and configure control without the need for extensive programming. So these are a great option to consider when devising your control strategy. Thank you for your time. For more information, please visit emerson.com/flowcomputers.